Yeah, I have a question for Jean-Philippe. You mentioned earlier about the speculative development in southern France. And if I understood correctly, it was speculative, and during the last 6 months you managed to pre-let 50%, which then means most likely that you financed that all equity, or you were able to finance it through some debt. And of course, that's an interesting question also for Roland, in a sense. Okay, we discussed about the possibilities of having redevelopment, refurbishment, development. Where do we stand with regards to debt financing for this type of activity?
So we financed it back in 2011 with 2 French banks, because at that time, for the same reasons, only French banks were keen to finance speculative development. We financed it 55% loan to cost, and of course today we could have different discussions to refinance it at different type of leverage for different type of margin that we negotiated when it was a speculative development.
Good, thank you. Did you want to say a word on that?
Say something, Roland, about No, I mean, I just want to make sure. If you tell me that you're financing speculative development, tell me that first to me.
No, Helaba is not financing speculative developments, pure speculative developments. It is, I think, a business strategy which still slightly differs between German banks and French banks indeed. French banks usually are much more open to provide in particular WEFA projects where you have very limited construction risk, so you only have the letting risk to cover with a decent percentage of equity, be it 40% or 35% or 45%. That's not crucial. The essential thing is that also for this type of products, financing at the moment is available. Certainly not for a 70 or 80,000 square meter new office tower in La Défense or a mega project on a pure speculative basis. But I think for a well-located property in the range of 15, 20, 25,000 square meters in Paris, there shouldn't be a problem to find financing.